Naomi Home presents the Peyton Rustic End Table Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This end table comes as shown with a round knob and a surface with protruding edges. We will commence with the cabinet assembly. The first step will be to place a drawer slide onto part number 2 and another one onto part number 3. Secure the drawer slides in place by using 3 E-screws on each drawer slide. Do this step by sliding the drawer slides and inserting 2 E-screws in these spots. Next, slide the drawer slides to the opposite side and insert 1 E-screw in this spot as shown. Now, place 4 wood dowel pins onto part number 2. Connect part number 5 and part number 6 onto part number 2. Use 2 D-screws to attach parts number 5 and 6 onto part number 2. Place 4 wood dowel pins onto part number 3. Connect part number 3 onto part number 5 and 6. Use 2 D-screws to attach parts number 5 and 6 onto part number 3. Great job! You have completed the cabinet assembly. Now we will continue with the top assembly. Insert 4 cam bolts onto part number 1. Use 2 D-screws to connect part number 4 into part number 1. Slide part number 7 in between the grooves of parts number 2 and 3. Place 2 wood dowel pins onto part number 2 and part number 3. Insert 2 cam locks onto part number 2 and part number 3. Connect part number 1 onto part number 2 and 3. Tighten the cam locks in part number 2 and 3. Connect 4 K pieces on the back corners of part number 7 by using 4 J screws. Nice work! You have completed the top assembly. Now we will start the drawer assembly. Connect part number 9 onto part number 11 by using 2 D-screws. Now, connect part number 10 onto part number 11 by using 2 D-screws. Slide part number 12 in between the grooves of parts number 9 and 10. Insert 2 cam bolts onto part number 8. Attach the handle by using 1 bolt. Connect part number 8 onto part number 9 and 10. Use 2 cam lock to secure the parts in place. Finally, align the drawer with the drawer slides and use 2 bolts to secure the drawer in place. And there you have it. Your Peyton end table is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.